wash my face. I comb my hair. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I dry my hair. I wake up. I open my eyes. I stretch my body. I make breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I drink water. I leave home. I go to work. I take the bus. I start work. I take a break. I walk home. I cook dinner. I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes. I read a book. I watch TV. I feel tired. I go to bed. I fall asleep.